Hazrat Rabi bin Khuthaim and Imam Hassan Basri said, everything is easy. The example of haynin wa hayyin is laynin wa layyin, and maytin wa mayyitin, and wadayqin wa dayyiqin. Afa'ayna means it was not hard for us when we create you and the other creation. Laghub means tiredness. Atwar means sometimes this state and sometimes that. Adatura means he has been degraded. Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu reports some people of Tamim visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Banu Tamim, receive the good tidings. They submitted, you have given us glad tidings, so now grant us something. Thereupon the expression of his face changed. Then some people of Yemen came, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O the people of Yemen, receive the good news, since Banu Tamim have not accepted it. They submitted, we have accepted it. Thereafter the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started mentioning the creation and the throne. At that point a man came and said, O Imran, your mount has gone away. He said, would that I had not to get up. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3190.